Okay, children, I hope you all have gone through the worksheet and you all have done the you all have gone through the study material and gone through the worksheet as well, and you all have done the worksheet. Now let us discuss the question answer part. So on the first in question number 1, we were given a table where we were given some explanation regarding collective noun, and we were given certain words, and we need to somehow make specific the word that doesn't come under the group. So here we were given galaxy, fleet, stack, sleep, bouquet and army. So I have highlighted the word which doesn't come under collective. Sleep is only the thing that doesn't specify a group of something, whether it be a human being, whether it be human being or animal or thing. Only sleep doesn't come under this. That's why I have highlighted sleep. Now next is countable noun. Here also we were given certain words: water, banana, pencil, lamp, book, key. Except water, everything we can count. That's why water doesn't come under this. So it's the exceptional word that doesn't fit over here. So uncountable. Here also we were given wood, cloth, mango, ice, bread, dust. Mango and bread we can count. Except these two words, we cannot count rest words. That's why these two do not fit into this group. Next comes number D. We were given certain words and we need to find out which doesn't come under feminine gender. So we were given sister, toe, queen, wizard, niece and mother. Obviously wizard doesn't come under this word, this group rather. Next comes masculine gender. So here also further male term, lion male term, emperor male term, bride. This is not a male term. Yes, if it had been groom, okay, but bride it comes under feminine. That's why this is the means this word doesn't fit here. Next comes common. Here common gender. So here comes baby, bird, dancer, student, but daily and school, they do not come under this category. Okay. Next comes neuter gender. Then here we find wood, metal, mountain, flower, mother. Mother never can come under this group. So this word has been highlighted. Now next comes that we were given, we have come to know about compound nouns today, and we are here asked to form some compound nouns, and we were given certain words that those words were jumbled up. Now let us find out the compound noun. So with motor, obviously from B column we can take cycle, so motorcycle. Next comes glow. With glow we can definitely take worm. With arm we can definitely take chair. With rain we will definitely take fall. With black obviously we are going to take board, and with police man. Okay, I hope, I know that all of you have done all the answers correctly. Still as I cannot I cannot have the answers face to face, so in this way only we need to do, but I have the confidence that you all have done the answers correctly. Now let us see the syllable part we have come to know today. So here also we were given certain words: counter, golden, sea, clustering, somebody, sensation and free, and we need to find out syllables and number of syllables. Also we need to write down. So counter, it was there, it was already done for us. From golden we will be doing, so golden, the word gold, then den, golden. So here we find two syllables. See, with one simple stroke we can utter the word, so obviously it's one of one syllable. Clustering, clustering. So with 3 syllables, with 3 stroke we utter the word, so it comes under 3 syllables. Somebody, somebody. So somebody. With 3 stroke we utter the word, so it comes under 3 syllables. Sensation. Yes. So sensation. When I utter the word, you all can understand. With 3 stroke I have uttered the word, it comes under 3 syllables. Free. Like see, free. With 1 simple stroke we can utter the word, so definitely it comes under 1 syllable. Now last one, we were asked to form some compound noun, and as we have come to know about like this only: noun plus noun, adjective plus noun, verb plus noun, noun plus verb. One more I have added over here in order to see whether you all can do it by yourself or not. That is preposition plus noun. So here noun plus noun, here the answer may vary. I know I will be having 200 types of answers, right? So but as for example, I have written over here 2 words. I know you all have written many, which I am going to check when our school will reopen and we will again meet, right? So let us see noun plus noun, that is toothpaste, wallpaper. Adjective plus noun, black, that is adjective, board, blackboard. Fast food, you all are, maximum of you are fond of that, which is not good for health, right? Let us come to the next one. Verb plus noun, swimming, pool. You all have not gone for a long time, no? So here also washing machine. Noun plus verb, it can be haircut, it can be sunshine. We need some sunshine. Yes, okay. Now preposition plus noun, that is under. Under is preposition, ground, underground or underworld. So here I told you the answer may vary over here because we are free to form words over here. So I hope you all have done this, and I hope that you all have written a variety of words over here, and I will be eagerly waiting for those words. Till then, I want all of you to stay fit, to remain at your home and to do your work properly. And along with that, I would let you know that we have completed our pre-half yearly unit test portion. Still, I will be focusing on the vacation part in my next class, because that time I was unable to upload the videos. So I will be trying to highlight on that particular poem. Till then, you all must carry on your work. You all must carry on your study related work. Okay. So stay fit and do your works properly. Thank you.